Hello friends, and this is Ajay. Now I will explain the topic time and work. And these are the basics that you should know before going to answer the questions. So I suggest you to once go through the basics. And these are the 5 questions that I will discuss in this tutorial. If you are able to solve these 5 questions in 5 minutes, then you can skip this tutorial. Coming to the first question, A can complete a work in 18 days and B can complete the same work in 24 days. Both A and started the work together, but A quit after working for 6 days. Further, how many days will B alone take to complete the remaining work? So, first note down the information of one man who has done the work for all the days. In the given question, A has completed a total work in 18 days. So, work done per day by A is 1 by 18th. And similarly, B can complete the same work in 24 days. So work done per day by B is 1 by 24. So work done by A for 6 days is equal to 1 by 18th into 6 days. That is 1/3 of work is done by A for 6 days. Now B has to complete the remaining 2/3 of work. So now B has to complete the remaining 2/3 of work, and per day B can do 1 by 24th of the work. So 2/3 of work is completed in 16 days. So number of days will B take to complete 2 by 3rd of work is 16 days. That is, the remaining work is completed by B in 16 days. And coming to the second question, 20 men working together can complete a work in 30 days. All started the work together, but 5 men quit after working for few days. After how many days did the 5 men quit if it took more than 5 days to complete the same work than the actual time? Work is defined as the work done by men for how many days. So from the question it is given that 20 men has completed a work in 30 days. So total work done by 20 men in 30 days is 600. In the same way, all started the work together, but 5 men quit after working for few days. So the remaining 15 people has worked for 35 days. So total work done by them is 525, and this remaining 75 work, that is 600 minus 525, and this work has to be is done by the 5 men in how many days, that we need to find out. So dividing the total work by 5 men, which gives 15 days. So after 15 days the 5 men were quit. Note, if in the question it is mentioned that A is twice efficient as B, two cases are possible. That is, if time is constant, then A does twice the work done by B in given time. So by this we can say that efficiency and work are directly proportional to each other. If the efficiency is more for a person, then he can do more work than any other persons. And coming to the second case, if work is constant, then B takes twice the time taken by A to complete the work. That is, efficiency and time are inversely proportional to each other. That is, if the efficiency of a person A is more, then he can complete the work in less time. Here, more efficiency, more work is completed. Coming to the third question, A is twice as efficient as B and B is thrice as efficient as C. If A, B, C can complete the work together in 28 days, then in how many days will A and C working together can complete the same work? Here time is constant, that is, they can complete the total work in 28 days. So A is equal to 2B, that is, A can complete the twice of the work in the same days, and similarly B can complete the thrice of the same work of C in same days. So A is equal to 6C, and given that A plus B plus C is equal to 28 days, that is, days taken by the A, B, C are equals to 28 days. So by applying the equation you will get 10C is equal to 28 days. That is, then for A and C only it will take 7C. That, and this you can find out with this table, that is 10 into 28 is equal to 280. so total work is 280. So similarly 7C, for 7C how many days is required? So dividing 280 by 7, which gives 40 days. So A and C can complete the same work in 40 days. And coming to the fourth question, 4 men and 6 women working together can complete a work in 8 days, while 3 men and 7 women working together can complete the same work in 10 days. In how many days will 1 man and 9 women working together can complete the same work? So from the question we can write that 4 men plus 6 women is equal to 8 days. That is, time taken by the 4 men plus 6 women is 8 days. So multiplying and dividing by 8 on both sides, we will get 38 men plus 48 women can complete the same work in 1 day. And similarly with the second equation, you will get 30m plus 70w is equal to 1 day. That is, 30 men and plus 70 women can complete the same work in 1 day. So from these two equations we will get work done by 1 man is equal to 11 days of work of women. That is, to construct a building, work done by 1 man is equal to work done by 11 women. So substituting the above equation in equation 1, that is in the first equation, we will get 50 women can complete the work in 8 days. So then 20 women can complete the same work in 20 days. That is 1 man and 9 women. Therefore 1 man and 9 women working together can complete the same work in 20 days. And this is the answer for this question. And coming to the fifth question, A, B, C working together can complete a work in 8 days. All the three started the work together, but C quit after working for 2 days. If the remaining work is now completed by A and B in 9 days together, then in how many days will C alone complete the total work done? So from the question we can say that A and B has done the work on all the days, that is total 11 days. And work done by A, B, C per day is 1 by 8. And work done by A, E, B, C for 2 days is 1 by 8 into 2, that is 1/4 of the work. And remaining work done by A and B is 3/4 of the work in 9 days. Therefore, total work can be completed by A and B in 12 days. That is, if 3/4 of the work is completed by A and B in 9 days, then total work is completed by in 12 days. So now subtracting the work done by A, B, C per day and the work done by A and B per day, we will get the work done by C per day. That is, here we know work done by all per day, and here we come to know that work done by A and B per day is 1 by 12. So by subtracting from 1 by 8 minus 1 by 12, we will get the work done by C per day, and that is equal to 1 by 24. So total days required for C to complete the total work is 24 days. And this is the answer for this question. Thank you.